Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, there's overwhelming support for the government to compensate businesses which suffered losses as a result of roadworks now taking place in the corporate area.
The findings came from the RGR Gleaner Group's Don Anderson poll. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has the latest.
3 major road construction projects in the corporate area all at the same time: Mandela Highway, Constant Spring Road, and the Hagley Park Road 3 miles area, forcing some businesses shut, while others are struggling to make ends meet.
Yeah, we expect a little bit of inconvenience. We don't expect massive inconvenience. And that's what we're getting.
So should businesses be compensated for losses during the road works? Most Jamaicans say yes.
72% of all persons interviewed felt that businesses that were severely dislocated and handicapped by the construction which took place, loss of sales, etc., that the businesses should be compensated.
18% of the 1,000 persons interviewed did not believe businesses should be compensated. Now the roadworks have led to mayhem and misery on the streets. Plus there's a dust nuisance, frequent water lockoffs, and safety concerns.
That is not management, that is damagement. Who would contemplate locking down every major thoroughfare in the corporate area at one time?
For 53% of those interviewed, the current road program was badly planned and timed. 34%, however, had no problems. Likewise, 57% of those interviewed were not pleased with the road construction programs in the corporate area.
Anecdotally, one would say that's far lower than you would have expected.
35% were pleased. Now there's a view that all 3 major construction projects should not take place at the same time. And as you heard earlier, most persons were not pleased with the project and thought it was badly timed and planned.
Despite all of that, 59% felt that it was okay for the 3 major road construction programs to be undertaken at the same time. Now that's run counter to everything that's logical, but human nature is what it is. It's what we found.
That's right. 59% agree that all 3 should be carried out at the same time. 30% did not.
In general, it's a kind of mixed bag as far as the road construction. I think a lot of people are obviously waiting until the whole thing is over.
The RGR Gleaner Don Anderson poll was done between February 15 and March 3. 1,000 people from all 14 parishes were interviewed, and the poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.